kanong ilam jengka Kongres Hamegalia Dr. M. Amprinindo kalau ong ba Thma Pohiing Thma ba manta Hapoh sarkar jengka Megalia Democratic Alliance halor menteri Pohiing jengka Jelau James K. Sangma kamdi satyaban penbit het lang ya ke Kongres nolong kata kalau kentupat ya ke sarkar MDA ba kamdi satyapat pan kedukti lani Kynnoh kelai ke Kongres halo ketika jingkenat kebalakian pat theisen dan hapreng kiprad khot jengka MDA persya utai menteri Pohiing ke Jelau.
These rumblings are now being exposed to the public. It would be in the fitness of things, therefore, for the MDA to take stock of the situation and to make sure that these rumblings do not, spiral off into the public domain, and make sure that the Congress is not going to be blamed for trying to topple any government. Because I'm hearing rumors again and again that the Congress is now trying to break this government, the Congress is trying to do this and that. We are very sorry to say, we have kept ourselves aloof from government formation for one reason, that if this government has to survive, it survives on its own merits. If this government has to fail, it fails on its own demerits. And you cannot blame any other political forces around that is there in the community to be silent spectators all the time. All the allegations that are going on and the entire confusion that is being presented in the media every day makes me feel that I'm happy I'm not a part of government.